Elon Musk is one busy man. The tech icon is once again in the papers, and this time it's for building a hypersonic jet against Russia. The news has almost taken everyone by shock. Did Musk up his country's defense with this one? You can find out by watching this video. No one expected Musk to dabble in defense weapons since he has always been about innovation and solving problems on a global scale. But it seems like the pressure from the US government got to him, or maybe he just wanted to make Mikhail Kokharov, Russia's Elon Musk, look bad. The United States of America and Russia have never seen eye to eye. The differences have been highlighted more with the Russians waging war in Ukraine. At times like these, America cannot afford to lag behind Russia in any way, which is why the government has decided to put one of its most valuable assets, Elon Musk, to use. The man is a walking genius, and it seems like he's made the American military pretty happy with the hypersonic fighter jet he's developed. The jet was built as part of Project Mayhem and might just be the key to America's long-standing amnesty with Russia. The fact that Musk has managed to deliver on this front as well is not shocking. He's a multi-talented man with many cards up his sleeves. He's conquered the EV industry with Tesla being the #1 industry in the business, and with his space company, SpaceX, Elon might just have given NASA a run for their money. This might just explain why the American military has always been interested in Musk. Their main area of interest might be the recent battery business Musk has managed to step in. The military has tasked Lockheed Martin to aim their fighter jets with laser weapons. The laser system is going to need an energy source, and what better option is there than Musk? They aren't exactly using Musk's battery, but Lockheed will be using the same lithium-ion battery Tesla uses in their EVs, so you can guess where the inspiration comes from. What's more, the military had already been using Musk's SpaceX to transport sensitive cargo to space. It seems like Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy have served the Army well. But that said, it's no surprise that the military enlisted Musk's services to build a fighter jet. Musk has always been interested in building a jet, as stated in some of his tweets in the past. He'll be using the same principles he uses to build his EVs to develop the jet, a fact pretty obvious from the fact that Musk is taking the battery-powered route and electrifying the jet. The military has already been working on that front under Project Mayhem. Such a jet armed with hypersonic missiles will prove to be in the country's best interests, as it could theoretically enter night airspace and strike at any location across the continent. Brad Leland, the former program manager at Lockheed Martin, said that in the coming years, combat aviation is going to be all about speed. Previously, Mayhem was known as an expendable hypersonic multi-mission air-breathing demonstration, but it's now since been changed to hypersonic multi-mission ISR and stick. A bit on the nose, to be honest. Mayhem is all about achieving speed. It's also food for building a hypersonic jet capable of performing several flights with a standardized payload interface. They want to up the payload mass by 5 times, as well as the current range by 2 times. Unfortunately, the security around Mayhem is pretty tight, leaving us in the dark. We have no idea about the specs on these jets, and from the looks of things, we aren't going to find out anytime soon either. What we do know is that the project is a $371 million program. Musk is going to be walking away with his pockets full. We also know that under the basic designs, out of 3 payloads, one is going to be an area effect payload, one is going to be a large unitary payload, and the other is going to be a responsive intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance payload. With that said, the Army might be looking for cluster munitions or something similar in their jets. A larger unitary payload could mean they're looking for a warhead capable of multiple attacks against a single target. Right now, everything is in the air, and as are most things with the Army, we aren't going to find out the designs anytime soon. We could expect something from Musk since he's always revealed his designs to the public, but it seems a little difficult right now. Since now, Musk is working for the US government, and he's probably signed some sort of secret government contract. Right now, all eyes are on Musk, since everyone wants to know if he'll be able to pull it off. We think that he will because this is Musk we're talking about. When has he ever disappointed us? Click one of the 4 videos on the screen right now.